In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to schedule workflows in Zoho CRM. By the end, you'll know how to automate not just instant actions, but also time-based actions that fire exactly when you need them, whether that's minutes, days, or months after a condition is met. Let's start with scheduled actions inside Workflow Rules. Open Setup, go to Automation, and select Workflow Rules. Create a new rule or edit one you already use. Choose the trigger type, like record created, or edited, or based on a date-time field. Define the criteria that should qualify a record, such as a specific lead source. In the Actions area, you'll see two buckets: Instant Actions, which run immediately, and Scheduled Actions, which run later. To schedule something, click to add a scheduled action. Choose how long after the trigger it should run, down to minutes or up to hours and days, and select the action type. You can send an email notification, create a task, update a field, call a webhook, or run a custom function. Fill out the details, associate it to the workflow, and save. Remember, each workflow rule can have up to 5 scheduled actions, and each of those actions can include multiple items, like several emails or tasks. A quick tip: test with a sample record and a short delay to make sure the timing, recipients, and templates are correct before you rely on it in production. Next, use date or date-time field triggers when your timing should be anchored to a specific field in the record, like an expected close date or a follow-up date. When creating the workflow rule, select Execute. Based on date, time field's value. Choose the field, set the offset, such as 5 days before or 2 days after, then set the time of day and recurrence. You can run it once, monthly, or yearly. Add your actions, either instant or scheduled, and save. This is ideal for reminders, renewals, or milestone communications that must align precisely with dates stored in your records. Finally, if you need automation on a fixed cadence regardless of record changes, use schedules. Go to Setup, then Automation, then Schedules, and click Create Schedule. Choose the custom function you've written in Deluge. Set the start date and time, define the frequency, once, daily, weekly, or monthly, and save. This will run automatically for things like batch checks, data cleanup, or periodic updates. Note that only users with Manage Workflows permission can create or edit schedules, and your organization may have a cap on active schedules, so plan accordingly. That's it. Use these 3 approaches to time your automation with confidence and keep your CRM running on schedule.